So I've never grilled chicken or even roasted potatoes in an oven. I'm doing this for the very first time. Today is my first time doing this. So guys, wish me luck. Wish me luck. It's your girl, Monica Njoroge. If it is your first time here, please do not leave without subscribing. Subscribing is free of charge. No one is going to charge you for subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. As you can see, guys, here I have a lot of spices and I'm sure some of them I'll not even use. And this is the chicken that we are going to grill. So come with me. Let's see how it goes. And I'm hoping for the best. Guys, wish me well. While at it, please subscribe. Subscribe, hit that notification button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And leave me a comment, a like. You can share with your networks to help me grow. So now I'm going to leave this chicken here to continue marinating. I'll give it some time before I can put it in the oven. And just before I forget, this chicken is not a kienyeji and it is not a broiler. It's an improved kienyeji. And so I'm going to set the oven. It's going to preheat at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes before I can put this in the oven. And this is now ready to be put in the oven. I've also prepared my potatoes that I'm going to be grilling together. As you can see here, the oven is preheating at 180 degrees. Well, we are here now and this looks delicious already. It looks yummy. Yummylicious. Yummylicious. Karibu iungue. Karibu iungue. Nilieka moto mwingi because this chicken being kienyeji, I knew it needed some more time than broiler, and also higher heat than the one that I'd have used if it was broiler. But either way, it looks so good. I had steamed some cabbage here. And let's see. Let's taste to see if the taste matches the look. Because I can tell you guys, this looks so good. So good.